The client is deeply attached to traditional architecture and wanted the house to reflect the authentic Kerala heritage. Not just visually, but in spatial experience, material and atmosphere. The house is inspired by the traditional Nalukettu concept, where the courtyard or Nadumuttam becomes the heart of the home. The project is not just a house. It is an emotional revival of Kerala traditional architecture heritage. It is a space where climate, culture, material and landscape merge into a one harmonious experience. Hi, I'm Shale, Principal Architect at Innan Architects. Join me for an exclusive home tour of Nalukettu in Malappuram. To watch premium videos and access PDF ebooks with house plans, log on buildofy.com. The link is in the description below. This project is located in Malappuram from the local village Keralam. The plot is rectangular in shape and spans approximately 2 acres. The terrain is mostly flat with gentle natural slopes. Coconut trees and native vegetations were retained wherever possible. The house is positioned centrally, allow the balanced landscape development on both sides, garden and gazebo on one side and a pond on other side. Views from the site open towards the greenery and the sky rather than dense urban development. The entrance sequence was carefully designed with a small traditional padipura to create a gradual transition from the public road to private structure. As you can see, this is the front side of the house, which is called Pumugam. A good facing on the house. That's why we are given more height. So it's coming under our 90 centimeter or 1 meter height for the plinth. Veranda, we given it as a 2 meter for the veranda. So while we are walking, we can feel the entire area, even the landscape or the every spaces we have. We need a space. That's why we are given this much of space of this veranda. Usually the Nalukettu is coming. There is a courtyard in the center. We consider as a Tekkini, Vadakini. So usually the courtyard is coming on the center and the other area will located on near to this one. The house is designed as climatic responsive structure. The central courtyard creates stack ventilation, allowing hot air to rise, and escape windows are provided on all sides to ensure cross ventilation. From the staircase, it's access for the mezzanine floor. From there is a top level which is coming bedroom and toilets. There is a veranda surrounded by this bedroom. For the gazebo, you can see, while we sit on the gazebo, you can feel the entire landscape on that. And also, at the same time, we have to combine with the traditional feel also. Material selection was extremely important to maintain the authenticity of the project. We used natural laterite stone cladding for walls. The roof tile were collected from demolished traditional house to achieve an aged, timeless character. All structural and aesthetic elements such as columns, beams and roof structures were done in wood. The idea was to use natural and locally available material that age beautifully and respond well to Kerala climate. We took the people's house here and from the machine they cut the laterite stone as a cladding and we built a wall behind this and we put this laterite stone as a cladding. The pond was originally smaller but we expanded it to enhance the visual and spatial importance. Stepped seating surround the ponds and a tiled slope roof structure at the entrance gives it a complete traditional character. From both the ground and top floors, the pond is visually connected with the house. Kerala has a tropical climate with high humidity, heavy monsoon rainfall and warm temperature throughout the year. Therefore, Sloping roofs were essential to drain rainwater effectively. It is not nostalgia driven architecture, but conscious revival of time lapse principle adapted for present day living.